Hello Divi members, my name is Levsklati and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to showcase another layout and the name of the layout is Divi Laundry layout. So let's go to my screen and I will show you how that layout looks like and how you can use that layout on your next Divi project. As you can see on the screen, this is the Divi Laundry layout. So as you can see on the first section, which is obviously a hero section, and at the background we are using an image with gradient overlay, and at the left side we are using text, title text over here and some description over here, and then we are using button explore services, so that can be linked to another section of this page or that can be linked to another page of your website. Okay, now let's go to the next section, which is our process. So like whatever the process you use to wash the clothes, that can be over here. So like we collect your clothes, wash your clothes and get delivery. Okay, so that's the process that you can write over here. Okay, the next section is our services. So whatever the service you provide, that can be over here, like cloth laundry, cloth ironing and so on. Okay, so that can go over here. Then the next section we are having is the call us. So if someone wants to contact your company, you can just leave your phone number over here, or you can link this button to contact section so they can call you, or use the contact form to get in touch with you. Okay, all right, the next section we are having is the pricing section. So as you can see right now we are having 3 plans: 6 clothes, 12 clothes, 20 clothes. So like pricing depends on the clothes, and if you want, you can just duplicate this section and you can get 3 more, or if you want 4, you can delete 2. Okay, so that depends on you. The next section we are having is the company achievement. So like achievement section, so like how many clothes you have washed already and your customer satisfaction percentage, so that can goes over here. Okay, the next section we are having is the feedback section. So whatever the past clients say about your company or like your service, that can go over here. With their consent, you can also replace the images like of the person. Okay, the next section we are having is the contact section. So as you can see over here, at the right side we are having this contact form, and at the left side we are using some text over here, and then phone number, email, and then the address of your company or office. Okay, they can use this contact form to get in touch with you, and you can write back to them directly using the inbox, like with Gmail or whatever the mail provider you use. Okay, so I hope you guys like this layout, and if you did, please hit the like button, and if you want to purchase this layout, link in the description. We have more than 100 layout and 10 plus style themes, so if you want to have a look, link in the description. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, and thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.